Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn where to find or delete activity and search history on Facebook. It's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. Now click on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now I want you to scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Tap on that and click on Settings. From here, I need you to scroll down until you see Your Activity and click on Activity Log. On this page, you can already see activity history. You just need to click on that. And there you go. You already find all your activity and search history. Now, in order to delete it, you just need to click on Trashed or Archive. But if you want to delete a specific activity, you just need to click on the three dots beside it and click on Delete. And that's it. That's how you find and delete activity and search history on Facebook app. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!